polio has been detected in New York City wastewater. Sikan Akpan from member station WI.
So this Amazon truck's been driving around with his side door open. Is that acceptable practice? I don't think so. He's making a delivery here. And I bet he's going to get back in and drive off with his door open. Let's see if we can get it. Yep, he's getting back in. Gonna drive off. PWB 7713. PWB 7713. That's just crazy. There he is. PWB 7713. Driving around with his side door open. I guess it takes all kinds, right? PMB 7713. Paul Michael Bradley 7713. There he goes.